How fast you burn energy is controlled by this gland here. This is your thyroid gland. This is what your thyroid gland looks like underneath of a microscope. It's comprised of these structures here known as a follicle. So this is a follicle. So if you take a zoomed out view, you can see all of these follicles, and it makes the thyroid gland look like bubble tea underneath of the microscope. Now these follicles are surrounded by an epithelium, which is a simple cuboidal epithelium. It's one cell layer thick, and the cells are equally as wide as they are tall. When they are very active, the cells get a little bit taller. When they're not active, they get a little bit smaller. So it can be anywhere from a low to a high cuboidal epithelium. These follicular cells secrete the thyroid hormone T3 and T4, which help upregulate metabolism. So if the more T3 and T4 you have, the higher your metabolic rate or metabolic activity. Also present in the thyroid gland are these specialized cells here known as parafollicular cells. They can be embedded in the epithelium, but they're called parafollicular cells because they can be found in the parafollicular space as well, in between the follicles. Some people also call these C cells because they secrete something called calcitonin. Calcitonin helps lower the blood calcium levels by targeting bone cells known as osteoclasts, and they inhibit osteoclast activity. Osteoclasts break down bone, freeing up calcium. So if the calcitonin targets those cells and inhibits them, they're not freeing up as much calcium, so our calcium levels start to lower inside of the blood. So, thyroid gland comprised of follicles, follicular cells secrete T3 and T4, parafollicular cells or C cells secrete calcitonin. Now you know. Later.